Hello friend, welcome to your channel How to Know. In this video I'm going to tell about the auction of a new slot of KSM and Polkadot. So here we are going to start. Before I am starting, please to subscribe and share my video as much as you can. And also if any suggestion, any requirement, then please comment in the comment section. I'll make a video on that. So let's start the video. Gate.io support the Polkadot Parachain Slot Auction. Okay, Gate.io had launched the .KSM Slot Auction page to help users quickly view the lockup and earn opportunity at their disposal in the term of parachain auction. So, if you are a new user, then you can sign up by link given in the description section, and also you can earn 40% of the referral money from your invitee. So next eighth round of the Polkadot DOT Slot Auction is started now, and it is continuously working. So as you can see, it is being start from 600 UTC on the 21st of January. Centrifuge rank at the top with 3.5181 million dot place, and Get.io CTF Lock of Finance has logged in the 3,237.96098 dot. The 22nd round of the Kusama slot auction is also started and it is launched. So I will share the link in the description section. From there you can easily visit on that auction. So here you can see the link. If I am clicking here, slot, it is showing here. From there you can easily subscribe dot and KSM from here. So multiple activities already started. You can also subscribe here. It is available up to March 3rd. So you can subscribe till 3rd March, 9 March, and the lockup period will be 672 days, and reward coin will be 65 700 3000 million. So I think you should subscribe this, and you should hold your token to get a definite reward from the Gate.io. So let's come back on the our page. Here it is shown that how you can buy or take a subscribe auction slot. How to enter the slot page? Just you have to click on the finance. Okay, and after clicking on the finance, you have to click the slot auction procedure. Just you have to choose category. After choosing category, check the status of auction and click subscribe, and you have subscribed for the procedure is lockup and earn participation. User can deposit or buy KSM dot Polkadot to join and support the different project in the auction project. Like here you can see the list. KSM project name is Sora, on chain price pool Jor, and dot project name is Centrifuge, Equilibrium. Multiple projects are going on the Gate.io using dot and Polkadot KSM. Slot auction. The slot auction will be conducted on the chain. Please keep eye out the result. If project you support is unsuccessful in the auction, the fund of the KSM or you logged will be returned without any interest. So if you are suppose you are buying any slot and it is being unsuccessful, and it is not successful, then all your fund will be returned without taking any interest by the Gate.io. You will not have to pay any interest to Gate.io if it is being failed. So don't worry if you are interested here, and if the support, if your support is being successful, then you will get a definite reward from KSM and DOT. Definitely. Rules are given here. Token lockup token name is KSM dot. Fee will be zero. Annual interest rate is subjected to on chain rate, whatever it will be pay submitted by the chain. You have to pay it out. And when the project you support wins the auction, we will distribute the interest according to the annual chain interest rate. So if your support coin will win, then you will get a interest according to current interest rate on the get.io. So once the fund of the KSM on chain are unlocked in advance, we will also release the KSM to user right away. As well as it is being released from the KSM, then all users will get the reward from that giveaway. So here it is. For more detail, links are given in the description section. From there, you can click on the link and you will directly negotiate to that place. If you want to directly visit on auction, then you have to go to the finance, and after clicking on the finance, you can see here at the right side slot auction is showing. Just you have to click on the slot auction and the page will be open here directly. So here you can see in progress, project is going over here. You can bid here, you can subscribe here. If you having any doubt how you can subscribe, then please comment in the comment section. I will make a video on that. Okay, so here you can see preheat, which is not any comment, any value, no any slot is about to come, and here you can see multiple finished slot is available. Okay, so still you have chance to participate in the auction. So if you want to participate, just you have to sign up on the git.io. After signing up, you have to go in the finance. After clicking on the finance, you have to click on the slot auction. A page will be open where you can find all the auction tokens. From here you can subscribe and lock up your own supported coins, and you can earn interest by holding up it for the 672 days. Hope this video is informational to all. Please do subscribe my channel and share and like. Thank you for watching.